AgileWrap provides a simple yet powerful management of product backlog, the key part of product planning. In this video, we will demonstrate planning of the backlog. We will talk about what a backlog is, how we build it, and how we analyze, edit, and prioritize the backlog. Product backlog is the centralized list of all the pending requirements and defects for the entire product. It is the what that will be built. It contains user stories, the broad descriptions of features, wish list, customer requests, and known defects, prioritized by business value. Pending user stories and defects are the items that have not been scheduled in any iteration or release. Click on Plan tab to see backlog for your project in AgileWrap. To add a user story in the backlog, click Add User Story link on top right and enter story information. AgileWrap adds user story in the end of the backlog. When you import user stories from .csv file, AgileWrap adds imported stories in the end of the backlog also. If you break a big user story into smaller stories, then AgileWrap replaces the parent story in the backlog by its lowest level stories. To add a defect in the backlog, click Add Defect Link on Quick Links menu and do not select any iteration and release in the drop-downs. Let me show you some features to analyze and edit the backlog. Sort the backlog by clicking on a column name. Sorting by item type orders the backlog by user stories and defects. Filter the backlog on a column and view the items meeting the filter criteria. You can also filter on multiple columns. Use Group By feature to group the backlog items by a specific column. For example, group the backlog by parent user story to view related stories together. You can easily edit backlog items. Click Edit User Story on top right, or edit the story row directly in the grid using in-place editing. Double-click on the white space and update the story name. Double-click on the cell to edit estimate, or edit priority to change the business value of the user story. Click on ID to see story detail. You can add comment and upload files here. Do you want to print or export backlog? Click Print View link on top right and print the backlog. Click Export link to export the backlog in .csv format. Once you have analyzed the items in the backlog, you can prioritize these. Prioritization allows to change the order or rank of items. To do so, select one or multiple items and drag and drop to the desired position. Backlog refreshes to show the new ranking. You can also edit the rank of an item using in-place editing. When backlog is prioritized and ready, you can schedule backlog items in the Iterations and Releases on Plan Product tab. This concludes backlog planning video. We saw that we can easily add user stories and defects to the backlog. We can also analyze, edit, and prioritize the backlog. Next, watch Plan Product video to learn planning of iterations and release in AgileWrap. Thanks for watching.